Across the golden plains of Africa, a gentle giant roams the land, elegant, towering, and utterly unique. Meet the giraffe, nature's skyscraper and one of Earth's most fascinating creatures. Standing up to 6 meters tall, giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth. Their incredible height gives them a view like no other, and a huge advantage when it comes to spotting predators or reaching treetop meals. But being tall isn't easy. Imagine having a neck that's 2 meters long. Surprisingly, giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans, just 7. They are simply stretched to enormous lengths. And while that long neck helps them reach the highest branches, it makes drinking water a bit tricky. To take a sip, a giraffe has to spread its legs wide and bend awkwardly forward, a moment when they're most vulnerable to predators. Look closely and you'll see a face full of character. Those huge eyelashes protect their eyes from dust. And their prehensile tongues, nearly ½ a meter long, are tough enough to handle thorny branches. Their tongues aren't just long, they're dark purple or bluish black, which helps protect them from getting sunburned while feeding all day in the hot African sun. And yes, they can even use those tongues to clean their ears and nostrils. Talk about multitasking. Yuck! But don't let their calm nature fool you. Male giraffes can be fierce. When it's time to impress the ladies, males battle by swinging their necks like sledgehammers in a display called necking. The winner earns respect and a chance to mate. Life for a baby giraffe begins with quite a fall, literally. A newborn calf drops 2 meters to the ground at birth, already standing within minutes. In the wild, every second counts, and standing tall means survival. Giraffes live in loose social groups called towers. Fitting, right? They communicate through low-frequency sounds, sometimes too deep for humans to hear. It's their secret language across the savannah. To pump blood all the way up that long neck, giraffes have an extra-large heart, nearly 11 kilograms in weight. Their unique blood pressure system prevents fainting when they raise or lower their heads. It's an engineering marvel, designed by nature itself. Today, giraffes face growing challenges. Habitat loss, poaching, and climate change threaten their numbers. Once widespread across Africa, giraffes are now silent victims of the shrinking wild. Yet, hope stands tall. Conservationists and local communities are working tirelessly to protect these giants. Because giraffes aren't just symbols of beauty and grace. They're reminders that even the tallest among us rely on balance, harmony, and care to survive. Graceful, gentle, and endlessly fascinating, giraffes truly are nature's towers of wonder. From their sky-high view to their surprising secrets, these gentle giants remind us how incredible life on Earth can be. If you enjoyed exploring the world of giraffes, Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing wildlife stories from around the globe. Hit the bell icon so you'll never miss our next adventure into the wild.